is up, brawlers and bladers? It is I, Bakudad, one half of the Baku Boys. And if this is your first time to the channel, please hit that like and subscribe button to help keep our channel growing as we do try and release weekly Bakugan and Beyblade content. But with that being said, let's go ahead and jump into what I've got in store for you guys for this video. So, for this video, I've got another awesome unboxing video. This time it's going to be a Bakugan Geogan Rising unboxing for this awesome Arcleon Geogan that Bakukid and I were both kind of excited to go ahead and pick up for the collection and check out. But enough of that, let's go ahead and jump to the gaming table and open this up and check out everything that's inside this box. Catch you guys in a moment. All right, and here we are back at the awesome gaming table, ready to go ahead and open up this Arcleon Geogan. Just go ahead and tear right into this box. Get that stuff out of here and it ready to recycle like Bakukid and I always do. Alright, that tape's just really wants to stay on, so I'll just leave it there. Pull all of that stuff out, and then let's just pop this Arcleon. There we go. All right, first off, let's go ahead and check out what gate card we got with Arcleon. Oh, cool. I think this might actually be one Bakukid and I already have. Put that to the side. And the two ability cards. So first off we have Searing Strike. 2 energy for plus 400B, which means this is the Arcleon card. 1 energy and it's 900B, 2 damage, and it's got double strike. Not bad stats. I like that it's a 1 cost. Alright, and let's go ahead and open up this Arcleon from 1 card length up. 3, 2, 1, brawl. Oh, wow. Didn't land. Alright, try that again. 3, 2, 1, brawl. And there is Arcleon. Looking super, super awesome. I like the detail on this Bakugan. Honestly, I like how they've made a lot of these Geogan look. I like the paint on this. Alright, let's go ahead and fold Arcleon up. It wasn't so hard. And then there he is again. All right, that is going to wrap it up for this super short Bakugan Geogan Rising unboxing video. What did you guys think of this Geogan right here? What did you guys think of this Bakugan? Go ahead and let us know in the comments below. But until next time, I am Bakudad, one half of the Bakugan Baku Boys, one half of the Baku Boys, signing off, and Bakugan Brawl!